What's the blueprint to make money on Stan Store from day one? Well, it's not a complicated funnel. It's not a huge catalog. It is one simple digital product that solves one real problem. In this video, I'm breaking down how I made 6K in my first month with nothing more than a $37 ebook made in Canva and a simple Stan Store setup. Let's keep it simple and profitable. Grab your coffee and let's get into it. Okay, so here's the biggest trap I see. People launching with 12 different digital products thinking that more equals more money. And let me tell you, that's far from the truth. More does not equal more money. It equals confusion. When I started, I launched one product. It was a simple ebook that I made in Canva. It was around 40 pages, solved one problem, and it was priced at $37. That one product brought me in $6,000 in just 30 days. No ads, no Etsy, no tech overwhelm, just Stan Store and a solution people were actively searching for. And with Stan Store, uploading it is as simple as just grabbing a Canva link or a Google Doc link and putting it into your Stan Store listing. Seriously, it's that simple. Just title, description, and your digital product. Because right now, you don't need a digital empire with so many different products. You need a digital entry point. And if you need help with coming up with ideas for your digital products, grab my free 500 digital product ideas guide to help you figure out exactly what to sell. It's going to be linked in the description below. Now let's talk about the tool that made that ebook possible. And that is Canva, one of my favorite tools to use to design any sort of digital product. I'm always using Canva. I use the free template in Canva, change the title, swap the colors, put in my specific information. And it could be as simple as using their free templates, changing the title, swapping the colors, typing out what your actual product is about, and exporting it as a PDF. Done. That's it. If you are over here thinking, but I'm not creative, you're missing the point because people are not buying your font or aesthetics. They're buying the results. They're buying the transformation. So please do not get stuck on the tech because it's as simple as getting into Canva, getting a template, and getting started. Now, if you had to launch a digital product today, what's one problem you would solve? Drop it in the comments. I want to hear your ideas. Now, listen, one thing I have to say with Stan Store is that it's not a buffet. It is not meant to overwhelm people. It is meant to guide them towards one clear offer. When I made that 6K a month, my Stan Store had two things, a freebie and my $37 ebook. That's it. So please do not add 20 different products, 7 different workshops, and a newsletter to sign up to. People don't know what to click, and confused buyers do not buy. Keep your Stan Store clean, clear, and focused. Let your one offer shine. And if you're still not sure what your niche is or what to sell, use my Naomi niche bot. She gives you a niche and profitable product ideas in under a minute. Is literally $7 and is scary accurate. The link is in the description below. So now let's get into pricing. I know you want to charge $5. I know you're scared people won't buy if it's too expensive. But let me tell you, that $37 ebook of mine sold without hesitation because it solved a real painful problem. And I'm gonna tell you this right now, low ticket doesn't mean cheap. It means simple, accessible, and valuable. And pricing it at $27 to $47 makes it feel legit without scaring people away. So be bold, charge what it's worth. People pay for clarity and transformation. And here's the truth most people ignore. You don't need 10,000 followers to make money. You need one real person who buys from you. That's your proof. That's you right there. The proof of concept is if one person buys, then 10 people could buy, then 100 people could buy. That's your sign to keep going. Because let me tell you, I didn't go viral. I didn't build a huge list. I sold to a few people and then kept building. So if you have been waiting until you have an audience, no, you just need a product and a purpose. That's it. And let me know in the comments, what's the real reason you haven't launched your first digital product yet? Be honest, I want to help you break through that. And remember, you don't need a full blown course, you don't need a huge following. You need one offer that solves one problem. That's the blueprint. That's how I made 6K my first month with digital products on StanStore. And remember, if you haven't already, grab your free 500 digital product ideas guide to get started today. The link is below in the descriptions. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe if this helped you, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming up next, because you're one product away, and let's build it.